these smartwatches every second, every minute, they keep tracking your data and send it to whichever organization, whichever is the company what you are using for. And then there is so much of data analysis. What skills do I need to add it in the CV? You only need to add the skills what you are aware of, my dear. Because if you just add for the sake of getting your CV selected, that's the biggest mistake you can do. I was little wondering like what will technology people do in the CRO, and I have no idea about it. That was around more than 17 years back. And I started to understand, and then having that direct impact on the patients. That is what made me to stay in this industry being a technology person. And then you are dealing with humans, you are dealing with people's lives. You cannot go wrong even with 0.1% of it.
Thank you so much, Sharitha ma'am, for such an insightful session and taking out valuable time for our students.
As you have seen from that little summary to our topic today, the big data analytics, how is that impacting on the clinical trials?
To watch the whole video, please click on the link below and subscribe to our channel, CliniLaunchResearchInstitute.